consulting dermatologist, Clear Skin Hair and Layer Center, Karnool. Today I am going to discuss about acne, that is pimples, and most frequently asked questions regarding pimples. Acne is the most common, difficult, and unsightly problem of teenagers and adulthood, which usually subsides with time, but in some persists for longer time and subsides with severe disfigurement, that is acne scars, leading to social embarrassment and psychological problems. Acne is a chronic condition clinically characterized by whiteheads, blackheads, pimples, that is papules and pustules, nodules or cysts, usually on the face, neck, back and shoulders. It can occur in males or in females and in all age groups. Normally, there are 5 to 6 peaks where we see acne, that is pimples. One is the infantile acne seen just after birth due to mother hormones in infant. Second is the pre-adolescent acne seen between the age of 6 to 11 years and is the early sign of puberty. Third is the adolescent acne seen during puberty in teenage groups between 13 to 19 and which is more common. Fourth is the post-adolescent acne seen in adulthood between the age of 18 to 25 years of age. Fifth is the middle-age acne seen in 30s due to hormonal disturbance. Sixth is the menopausal acne seen after the age of 40 once menstruation are stopped due to hormonal fluctuations. What causes acne and pimples? Acne occurs when the opening of the hair follicles on the skin gets clogged or blocked with the dirt or dead skin cells and oil, leads to whiteheads or blackheads. And same if get infected with bacteria, it forms a pimple which is very small red bump with a pus on the top of it. What is the difference between acne and pimple? Acne is a disease and pimple are one of its symptoms. Second, pimple is a layman word. Third, pimple fall into less inflammatory type of acne called as papular and pustular type of acne. Will acne go away? Acne will go away on its own at the end of puberty, but some struggle with acne in adulthood. Why do we need treatment when acne will resolve on its own? Early treatment and interventional procedure such as steel, blue light therapy, and lasers are necessary to reduce the psychological stress during puberty and to prevent from getting acne pigmentation or scars which are very difficult to treat. What are the foods that cause acne? Foods that cause acne are high glycemic diet rich in refined white sugar and other forms like sodas, Tetra Pak juices, honey, and so on. Dairy products such as chocolates, fast food, oily and fried food, whey protein, refined grains, and food rich in omega-6 fatty acids. Does drinking water help acne? Consuming good amount of drinking water help in promoting skin hydration and could help in preventing acne. Does exercise reduce acne? Exercise has many benefits for skin, such as increased blood flow and reduced stress-related acne. Though exercise can also create perfect condition for acne-causing bacteria and yeast to thrive. Keeping the skin dry and clean can help from preventing acne. Does stress cause acne? While stress alone is not the cause of acne, age, hormones, acne-producing bacteria and other factors are responsible. It's evident that stress can trigger breakouts and make existing acne worse. Does lack of sleep cause acne? Acne can flare up when you are not getting enough sleep. In fact, Sleep deprivation is considered one of the three main acne triggers along with stress and sweating. Can moisturizers cause acne? Moisturizing your skin doesn't cause acne. In fact, moisturizing is a very important part of treating acne. It loosens the sebum buildup inside the pores. Do use non-paraben or water-based moisturizer to keep skin hydrated so that you do not end up in clogging your pores or aggravating the acne. Does use of cosmetics cause acne? Certain makeup products such as foundation and concealers or use of comedogenic hair or skin products worsen acne or cause new breakouts. Pomades or hair oil, heavy moisturizers, eye creams, and makeup are all causes of acne cosmetica. Is it okay to use makeup with acne? It's better to avoid on acne prone sensitive skin. Still, someone wants to use cosmetics. Apply after using non-paraben moisturizer or choose non-comedogenic liquid makeup products such as JNL BB cream, that is mineral makeup, or Neutrogena, that is Neutrogena skin clearing liquid makeups. What can a dermatologist can do to get rid of acne? Your dermatologist will prescribe antibiotics or acetretinone to kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. Hormone therapy might also work for some people. It includes low dose of estrogen and progesterone and may advise the need for interventional therapy such as chemical peel, blue light therapy, cryoslush, and laser therapy. What is the medical line of treatment for acne? Treatment for mild acne vulgaris includes benzoyl peroxide or topical retinoids or in combination of topical medication and antibiotics. Antibiotics such as tetracycline, doxycycline, and minocycline can be used. What is the role of interventional therapy for treating acne? Interventional therapy such as chemical peeling, photodynamic or blue light therapy, cryotherapy, intralesional medication, incision and drainage, laser treatment may require in resistant cases of acne not responding to above mentioned measures and therapy. However, early, prompt, effective, and sometimes aggressive interventional treatment is required to lessen the overall long-term impairment, that is psychological stress, and to prevent acne scars. Does masturbation cause acne? Masturbation does not cause acne. In fact, masturbation has a number of physical and mental health benefits, such as reducing stress and physical tension. The body goes through a lot of changes during puberty and adolescence. It's only a coincidence that sometimes you seem to have less acne when you do not masturbate. Why do you have a breakout during periods? The reason behind the menstrual acne is the hormone progesterone. It causes increase in production of sebum from facial oil, and this causes acne. When the excess oil clogs the facial pore, it results in acne, that is whitehead and blackheads.